Before the term motorhome became mainstream, Royce Kershaw Sr., founder of the Royce Kershaw Company, envisioned a vehicle that could combine mobility, luxury, and versatility. In the early 1940s, while traveling with his family, Kershaw realized that no vehicle could meet his diverse needs, something that could serve as a family vacation vehicle, a business lounge, and a stylish people mover. Trailers like the Airstream existed, but Kershaw wanted a self-propelled machine, and he decided to build it himself. Using his company's resources, which specialized in railroad equipment, Kershaw spent nearly 2 decades developing the Executive Cruiser. Completed in 1962, this one-off prototype represented one of America's earliest attempts at a fully functional luxury motorhome. Built on a Dodge 1-ton truck chassis, it featured a hand-formed all-aluminum body with a widened Ford Econoline front end and was powered by a Chrysler 413 cubic inch max wedge V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The design blended automotive and architectural influences, showing clear Art Deco inspiration. Inside, the vehicle offered amenities rarely seen even in modern recreational vehicles. A full galley with a gas stove, oven, sink, refrigerator, and abundant storage. The rear lounge area featured sofas that could convert into a bed, allowing the Cruiser to transform from a conference suite to a family camper. Kershaw had planned mass production, marketing it as an all-in-one vehicle for executives, families, and sportsmen. Promotional materials claimed a cruising speed of 90 miles per hour, approximately 145 kilometers per hour, and a top speed of 101 miles per hour, approximately 163 kilometers per hour, remarkable for a motorhome of that size. However, production never began, possibly due to its oversized dimensions and limited practicality. The Kershaw family used the vehicle briefly in the 1960s for vacations and social trips. After Kershaw Sr.'s death, his son began a restoration that was never completed. The Executive Cruiser was later discovered in storage, partially disassembled, and sold at auction for $23,500. Today, the 1962 Kershaw Executive Cruiser stands as a unique symbol of American innovation, a handcrafted vision that anticipated the luxury recreational vehicle decades before its time.